In the United States of America, the state of Illinois has passed a new bill that safeguards the children who are featured in online videos. According to this law, child influencers on social media are now liable for receiving their due compensation from their parents. The state of Illinois has in fact become the first state in the country to pass a law to make serious amendments to child labor laws in the area. The Governor J.B. Pritzker signed the bill after being inspired by a 16-year-old's letter last year. The teenager had voiced some serious concerns about the protection of young influencers. And now the law allows children, after they've attained the age of 18, to sue their parents if they were featured in monetarily profitable social media videos but did not get a proper compensation in return from their parents. Effective from July next year, this will become mandatory for parents in Illinois to set aside 50% of their earnings for every piece of content into a blocked trust fund for the child. And this will be calculated based on the percentage of the time that they are featured in the videos on social media. However, there is a catch. This law only applies in cases where the child has appeared in videos for a screen time of more than 30% of the content. And this calculation will be made for a 12-month period. While child actors already have regulations in place to protect their earnings, this is the first time that young content creators have in fact been safeguarded in the United States. The law has apparently been inspired by a 1936 California law which required parents to set aside 15% of the child earnings in a blocked trust account. This money could be accessed by the child actor after attaining the age of 18. So the question is, why is this law important? Now, several YouTube, TikTok and Instagram pages feature children in their content that is in fact run by their parents. The content often shares private details and exposes children, particularly minors, to the virtual world. And these videos in post make a lot of money for the parents, but the latter were previously under never any kind of legal obligation to share their earnings with the children. The data has also suggested that kid influencer accounts earn $20,000 or more for sponsored posts. This money also had gone solely to the parents who ran the accounts of their children. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.